In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in Outlook. If you keep receiving messages from a sender you no longer want to hear from, Outlook makes it quick and easy to block that address, so future emails from them are filtered out. This is especially useful for unwanted promotions, repetitive messages, or anything that is simply not relevant to you anymore. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can do it confidently. First, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Outlook loads, look for the Mail section. This is where all of your email folders and messages are managed. Click Mail to make sure you're in the email view and not in another area like Calendar or Contacts. Next, go to your inbox. Your inbox is where incoming messages usually appear, so this is the easiest place to find the email from the sender you want to block. Click Inbox and scan through your messages until you locate a specific email from that person or company. Once you find the email, click on it to open or highlight it. This step is important because Outlook needs to know which sender you're taking action on. Make sure you've selected the correct message before moving on, especially if you have several similar emails in your inbox. After the email is selected, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. This menu usually appears near the top of the message or in the toolbar, depending on which version of Outlook you're using. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu, then look for the option that says Block. Click Block to confirm that you want to stop receiving messages from that sender. Once you do this, Outlook will add that email address to your blocked senders list. That means future messages from the same address will be redirected based on Outlook's filtering behavior, helping keep your inbox cleaner and easier to manage. If you don't immediately see the block option, don't worry. The layout can vary slightly, depending on whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, but the three-dot menu is usually the right place to check. Just take your time and read through the available options carefully. And that's it. That's how to block an email address in Outlook quickly and easily.